What's the meaning of creditworthy? Creditworthy. Creditworthy.
Creditworthy. Creditworthy. Creditworthy is a term used to describe an individual or business entity that has a high likelihood of repaying their debts on time and in full. Lenders and financial institutions use creditworthiness to determine whether or not to extend credit to a potential borrower. This assessment is typically based on an evaluation of the borrower's past credit history, income, and financial stability. Being considered creditworthy can lead to better interest rates, lower fees, and easier access to credit. However, being deemed not creditworthy can result in denial of credit or higher interest rates and fees.